Hello everyone, this is Rol here and today we are going to learn about an important topic which is a CSS box model. So let's get started. First, let's print a whole line of sentence so that it will cover a whole line inside a web page. The reason I'm printing a whole line is because I will explain you how the CSS box model works with respect to this whole sentence. So let's say this is the box model inside the header. Never mind for the typos. So let's just copy instead of writing the whole sentence. Let's just copy it and paste it. So let's just include a close tag as well, which is a / and h1. Let's just save it and run. Launch it in Firefox. So this is a simple sentence which I have printed using the help of header h1. Now I will ask you a simple question. What do you think the whole area, not the whole area, the area covered by this whole sentence is? I would say the area covered by this sentence is a box. So let's just show you how it is a box. So for showing it as a box, we will include an additional attribute which is a background color. So I will make changes for the CSS in an external. So let's just say I want to change the header h1. I will say additional attribute is a background color. So let's say BACK. Here it is, background color. So background color, what it does is it just colors the whole background. So let's just say yellow. We need to specify the color yellow and a semicolon. So the background color is used to color the background. So let's just save it and refresh the page. As you can see, this is the whole sentence is covered inside a box. So this whole area is inside a CSS box. This is known as a box model. So box model actually contains four things. First is the main content. Content is something that is written inside this box model. In this example, this is the content, the text, whole text. Second is a padding. So the padding is the space between this text and the outer yellow part. The outer yellow part, the whole outer yellow part is known as a border. Border is something which covers this whole box model. So padding we can say is the space between the text and the border. The text and the border is known as padding. And speaking about margin, margin we can say is the outer part, the white space which is outside of this box model is known as padding. Not padding, it's a margin. So we can remember as padding as an inside part, margin as an outside part, and border which covers the whole box model. So for time being, please remember margin is outside part. For the next video, I will explain in detail what actually a margin means. So today we will mostly focus on padding. So let's just say what's the padding. Let's just go into a style sheet, external style sheet, and include an attribute for padding, which is a padding, PADDING. So padding, we need to include a colon, then we need to write is for the timing, let's say 100 pixel. PX stands for pixel. 1 pixel means 1 point. 100 pixel means 100 points. That means padding 100 pixel. So what I am saying is the header, which is a sentence, do a padding of 100 pixel. That means include the space 100 pixel from all the side of the sentence. Rather than explaining you, I will show you. Refresh it. First I need to save it, then I need to refresh it. So this is how padding actually works. As you can see, the 100 pixel from the left side, from the right, from the top, from the all the side, the padding is 100 pixel. That means the space is been increased by 100 pixel. So that's how padding works. Padding is always inside this block. So if you say if you want to specifically add padding only to the top side, so what you will do, we will include additional attribute which is padding top. We need to include a dash, then top, padding top 200 pixel. Just save it and refresh it. So as you can see, the padding 200 pixel is only done in the top side. That means the space is only increased from the top side. So if we need to increase from the bottom, there is an additional attribute bottom. Then for the right, there is a right, and for left, there is a left. So let's just show you the whole thing. Padding top 200 pixel. Let's just copy it instead of writing a whole. So we'll change its padding bottom. Let's say padding bottom be 100 pixel. For padding right, let it be 10, and the padding top, not the top, left one is left. Let's say it's 0 pixel. Let's just save it and refresh it. As you can see, the left part is 0 pixel, the top part is 200 pixel, the bottom is 100, and the right side is 10 pixel. So this is how the padding works. But instead of writing this whole thing, padding top, right, bottom, we can include a shortcut method which is right padding, then a colon. Then we don't need to write right, bottom or left. Just say I want padding 100 pixel from the top. The first element is a top, second is a right. So let's say I want 100 pixel to the right, then third is a bottom, 0 pixel to the bottom, and 300 pixel from the left. So for remembering it, you see it's in a circular manner, not a circular manner, it's a clockwise manner. First is a top, then right, then bottom, then left. So first, remember always guys, remember as if you are learning in a clockwise manner. First comes the top, second comes the right, third comes the bottom, and fourth comes the left. Let's just save it and refresh it. So as you can see, 300 pixel from the left is increased, last one is the left, 100 pixel from the top. So this is how padding actually works. Thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe.